Hey guys, Erica and Myra here with Best Contracting, and this is how to prepare your roof for installation day.
That's a really great question. Our recommendation is primarily two things. First of all, walking around the exterior of your house and removing any valuable potted plants, anything in the yard that you find is valuable, any picnic tables, any patio furniture, have that removed from the deck. And also getting up in your attic. If you have possessions that you're storing in your attic, it's good to cover those with a tarp because when we install the ridge vent, a lot of debris can tend to fall down in there and make your attic possessions dirty. So those two things are my primary recommendation for being prepared for a roof replacement.
Also, you cannot forget to make sure your driveway is cleared too. That's a big one because we have trucks in there, we have, pallets of shingles, so we definitely need a clear driveway to get our trucks in there, to get the crews in there, and make sure everything, stays within the area.
Great reminder.